Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and set up Google My Business account, also known as Google Business Profile for your businesses. Before even creating a listing, it's important to know the Google My Business ranking factors. Knowing which factors influence rankings will help ensure that the listing is properly created and optimized. Google My Business plays a major role in local SEO and online visibility. This is because over 88% of local searches result in a call or visit within 24 hours, and localized searches that include near me have grown by over 900%. Example, restaurants near me. For product and service related searches, Google almost provides localized results. For example, restaurants near me. You will find the restaurant. This result is also known as local pack, and it appears for nearly 30% for for all page one results. Getting featured here requires having a Google My Business account. Follow these steps to create and set up your Google My Business listing. First of all, sign into a Google account, then log into Google My Business, then enter the name of your business, choose a primary business category, and then add your business address. Specify service areas only for service area businesses, and your phone number and website. Complete your listing and then finally verify your listing. And also, you have to maintain the NAP consistency. Here NAP stands for name, address and phone number. It's important to make sure web address is listed consistently. NAP consistency is key for businesses looking to improve their search rankings, increase the local organic traffic to their site, and get more leads or sales from the website. Now let us see how can you set up your Google My Business account. Further, open your Gmail account, and here at the dots, open here, click on Google My Business Profile Manager. Here click on Manage Now, and here uh, paste your business name, then your business category. And then click on next. Here it is asking question, do you want to add a location customers can visit like a store office? If you have a office or a store, then click on yes, and then click on next. Then click after you pasting your address, then click on next. Is this your it looks like your business might already have business on Google search maps. None of this, as this is not our business. Select as none of this. If you found your business, then you have to select this your business name, and then you can claim that. As we are creating this Google Business Profile account, Google Business Profile account first time, so I will select none of this and click on next, and then click on next. Do you provide deliveries or home food visits? No. Click on next, and then here add your, and then click next. As you can see, in this case we have got only one verification method, is business video, but usually there will be having five methods standard verification method. One is phone or text, next is email, next video recording, video live video call, and mail. And as you can see here, there is only one option, business video, and you cannot change the verification methods available in your business profile. If you ask for a video, you should make a video for successful verification. And the requirements are for a video is that it must be continuous, non-edited, and unique. And it must include evidence that your business exists. Example include business signage, your storefront, or tools of the trade, or access to sensitive store areas or point of sale systems. It must not include any people's faces. And in this way, you can set up your Google business profile to your business. If you found this video helpful to you, please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.